Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And y'all know what time it is. It's time for Kylie to get a new hairstyle. Yes, my girl took down her braids and she said, "Ma, it's Black History Month, so you know I gotta rock my fro." I said, "What?" She said, "Yeah, I wanna rock the fro." I said, "Okay." Now listen, I was not prepared for her to say that she wanted to rock her fro, but when she wanted to rock her fro, baby, mama gonna make it happen. So I did not have a lot of products up under my sink, so I looked up under there. I said, we're gonna make it work with what we got. So first thing we're gonna start off with is a deep condition. Okay, we haven't deep condition since about the end of December, before I did her silk press. So I was like, okay, it's about time for that. We're using the Reagan Stlye deep conditioner. I'm putting it on her head. This is the one that Kylie swears just be tingling, honey, tingling. And I didn't even have much in it. I need to restock on everything. So this is what it looks like after I spread it out through her hair. And of course, y'all know I had the plastic bag her up. Sure did. Walmart bag. They multi-person, purpose. You know what I'm saying? We can use it for more than one thing. There we go. And I set up her up under the blow dryer to let it really penetrate. And this is what we look like, after the blow dry. You see her hair is all shrunken in and it's all nice. Yeah, look, she swears. She telling y'all it's tingling. Good gone. Then we're going in with our leave-in detangler from Reagan Stlye. It's with Stlye. Let me get my baby name right. Reagan Stlye, honey. Reagan Stlye. We went in with the the leave-in detangler, and I also put some of the mango butter on there as well. I put some of that on there as well. Then we're going for a blow dry. I know I said we was doing the fro, but y'all know my girl shrinkage to be real, so I had to blow her out. And she also wanted braids in the front and rock her fro in the back. That's the picture that she showed me. So I said, okay, we're gonna have to blow dry. And I'm not really blow drying it, trying to get it super bone straight. I'm just blow drying it just so we can have a little bit more stretch. Because if the fro too small, my girl gonna be like, oh no. So yeah, I had to stretch it out so to make sure she liked it. So that's what we did, and this is what it looked like all blown out. First thing first, I had to go ahead and section her off, do the front part of her braids, which didn't take long at all. I missed this. Just reminded me of when she was little and she wasn't wearing any weave, and I used to just braid her little hair into little different hairstyles. Oh my god, it was so simple. Look how I'm just zooming through these braids, not adding no type of nothing, just zoom, hit it. I missed it. Oh my god, I hope I'm having a girl. But anyway, we need to make this mom duo trio because y'all want more hair videos, right? And I'm ready to put my hands in somebody else's head too. So team girl over here, we're team girl. Well, at least me and Kylie are, okay? So this is what we look like once we got all braided up. That's the front part of our braids. We got a little slant little thing going on, and then we headed on to the back. And what we did was just twist it up. Y'all see how I got them little fat little twists right there? Bust them down in the two. Make y'all twist kind of smile, okay? Make them kind of smile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section the hair off, and then this is just a little water and conditioner. Water, and I use the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Conditioner. I dropped some of that in there with some water, and we were good to go. I also found this is under my cabinet, Curl Balls by Aunt Jackie's. Okay, Curl Balls. You the boss, baby, because I was feeling you. This is like one of the few products that did not leave a residue on her curls at all, okay? And let me tell you something. Some of the twists was even a little damp when I took them down, and they still didn't have no white residue, and the twists were twisting. The curls were curling. I said, okay, Curl Boss, you the boss. I like that. Okay, Auntie Jackie's, we're going to have to try some more of her products. Okay, so this isn't like a twist all the way down. I started it off with a plait, and then I ended up braiding it. And I'm just doing that from experience. Adding that plait to the root and then twisting it just stretches the hair out even more, okay? And y'all know my girl got shrinkage, so I was like, yeah, we gonna do that. I remember I had did a twist out on her head, and it was all, babe, want to tell you, it was twisted up to a scalp. I said, okay, we're gonna try to braid and then twist, and it just stretches it out a little more. I don't know how, I don't know why, but that's what it does for us. Y'all can try it and see what it do for y'all. Give it a try. It's pretty easy, So I'm just going to continue the process of using my water and conditioner and the Curl Boss, and just plaiting and twisting down throughout the back of her head. And this is what we looked like the next morning. Okay, we were still a little damp from the night before, so guess what I did, baby? I said, while we getting ready for church, you just go ahead and sit up on this dry for a little 20 minutes, okay? Give me like a little 20 minutes. Let's see if they get a little bit more dry. And they did. Some of them did, but the ones that I said were really big, and I said I need to bust them down into, they were not dry, they were still a little damp. So that's why I said try to make them smaller. It'll dry faster, better too. So yeah, and this is what we were working with. But as y'all can see, the curl boss did it job. Do y'all not see them little curls, spiral twist curls curling? It's cute and no residue, even with the ones that were still a little damp. No residue at all. A lot of like the curl creams and stuff, they leave like a little white residue in her hair. I haven't found one that I just fell in love with until Aunt Jackie's curl boss. Okay, Auntie Jackie. Okay, leave it up to a TT to get it right for you. Leave it up to an auntie to get it right. So yeah, I'm definitely trying some more of her products. Definitely trying some more of those products. Definitely. And then bam, look at my girl. She was feeling her fro, okay? She was definitely feeling her fro, honey. It's like, okay, this is cute. Like I said, I'm not trying to really separate the curls. I'm just trying to fluff it out because I don't want to lose them. I don't want to separate it too much because it was still a little damp. So even though it was still a little damp, I went in with the and diffused the curls. I seen the girls doing this on the TikTok. So hey, I said we're gonna try it today, and that did help. It made a huge difference. It dried up most of the dampness in her hair, and the curls did manage to stay. But baby, she kicked me out and said I'm gonna slay these edges myself. I said, okay, boo, do you, because I need to go get your brother ready. Do you, boo, do you. And watch my girl slay them edges. I taught her well. She learned from her mom. I told you I've been slaying edges since about the 6th, 7th grade. Baby, look at my girl. Go Kylie. Go Kylie. Go Kylie. I'm such a proud mom. But look, my girl was feeling herself too. Look at her. Okay, Kai. Look. Check them out. Check them out, baby. She was singing and stuff all day. She was feeling her natural fro, and I was so happy that she was feeling it. I am so happy that, it's all good to add the weave and the braids, but when you still feel comfortable in your own natural state, yeah. I'm for all that. So I'm so happy that it turned out cute. Yeah, get it, girl, get it. And this is what we look like. Okay, I told she couldn't stop singing. Yeah, curls for the girls. Yes. Thank y'all for watching.